Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to take apart the Xbox 360 Slim. The tools you will need is a small nail, T10, can't really see it, but it looks like a star, a Phillips head, and a flathead. First thing we're going to do, wrong side, my bad. Take off this right here. Take that off. The other side, this is where the flathead comes in. Try to do this with one hand. That comes right off. This is where you take your nail. There's little latches. It's going to be one right here. Here. I'm sorry about my camera, it's not really good. Here. One over here. You're going to stick it in there. You're going to feel the latch. Pull up. This side came up a little bit. Grab. Let's see if I can get this one. If I can get them. I'm sorry, this would be a lot easier if I had two hands. Last one over here. Apparently there's one more. There we go. That over there. If you see in there, that's the Wi-Fi card. You have to be very careful with that. So that uses the T10. We're going to take that out. You want to put this in a safe place because you do not want to lose this. Unless you don't feel like playing online ever again. That's what it looks like. Screws right there. Put it off to the side over here. Oh, I forgot to say, there's a sticker right here, and if you take this off, it voids your warranty. So if you have a warranty on this, do not take apart your Xbox. Alright, we're going to take off the shell. There's going to be two clamps right here and right here. I'm going to try to do this the best I can, but you're going to have to use two fingers since I already took mine apart. It's so easy. So there's going to be two clamps right there. To do that, you're going to have to use two fingers, but I already took mine apart, so it's easy. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm sorry, I forgot to take off the panel over here. Today is not my day. Take off that one. I'm sorry, this is my first video I'm posting, so please don't put any bad comments. I'm trying my best. It usually doesn't take as long, but it'd be a lot easier if I had both hands on this. There we go. Put that off to the side. Sorry about that. Alright, this is where you take off the shell. Boom. You're going to put one finger right here, and then one right there. You're going to push and pull, but be careful. You can use 2 fingers on that. Since I'm holding the camera, I can't use 2 fingers. This one might be a hard one. So I might have to use 2 hands on this one. Let's see. This one needs 2 hands, so try to set this down and do it like this. Alright, got it that side. That side closed. So I'm just going to quickly open it up. See, that comes off. Do not pull it off. You're going to lay it down on its back, on the bottom of it. Lay it on the bottom. You have to be careful because there's a little wire connecting the faceplate to the Xbox. You're going to pull up on that. Take this off. Put it wherever. And then there's going to be screws. There's a screw right there. There might be a sticker over this. There's 5 of them. Right there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is where you're going to take them off. They're pretty long screws, so you have to calm down and wait. I'm going to have some patience to do this. See, they're pretty long. For that somewhat safe, you do not want to lose that. Finally, the last one. Alright, and then try to do this. Flip it over, being careful. Pull up on that a little, and then you're gonna wiggle the face plate out. Be careful. See this wire right here connecting? You do not want to rip that, because you'll be screwed if you do. There is over inside here, right, where that white thing I'm pointing to is. You can detach it by that, but I don't think you want to take any chances. So just leave it on. Just be careful. And then pull that off. Comes right off. Sorry about the glare. Here, this drive's right here. Over this metal plate right here, there's going to be stickers. And you just take the disk drive out. See, there's a wire right there and a wire right there. You're going to lift up on this, pull it out, and then unattach. See if I can get it. Okay, got that out. Comes right out. This right here is supposed to get rid of noise. I caught myself, but it's supposed to stop some noise. Just take that off. You want to open up the disk drive, take the sticker off if you want to hot swap the sticker. You're gonna get the flathead. Just lift up on that. It should come right off. Comes right off. It's right here, the magnet. And since it's a long video, I'm not gonna show you how to open the disk drive up, but if you'd like, I'll post a video on how to take it apart. And please don't put any mean comments. This is my first video. Please just don't do it. Have a nice day.